After the rain, the mist fills the air in the Tongling Grand Canyon. The overnight rainfall accelerates the stream flow. The streams merge and pour down the cliff, forming a spectacular waterfall, known as the Tongling Waterfall. The annual precipitation of over 1,600 millimeters in the canyon keeps the waterfall replenished. It is about 30 meters wide during the wet season and over 10 meters wide during the dry season. The water rushes off the 180-meter high cliff and plunges to the valley bottom with a roar along the V-shaped valley floor, spreading over several kilometers. Abundant rainfall and a mean annual temperature of 19.3 degrees Celsius in the subtropical moist monsoon region contribute to the rather stable forest ecosystem. The canyon is home to various arbor and fern species. More than 2,300 kinds of plants grow here, including species from millions of years ago. Some of them are very rare and ancient, like the Alsophila from the age of the dinosaurs, the sugar palm with clusters of fruits, the woolly fern with bulky rhizome, the poisonous taro, and the old world forked fern in shape of a question mark. The Nyamba River winds through the canyon, converges with streams on the floor, and flows into the mountains. The water erosion mainly comes from its binding with carbon dioxide, which produces carbonic acid. The flowing water is more erosive than the stagnant water. Underground rivers seep through the limestone cracks and dissolve them gradually. The trickling of nearly 1 million years has sculpted the land with various karst caves. These underground caves vary in size. The largest can hold over 1,000 people, while the smallest is too narrow for one to crawl through. The water flows out of the cave and becomes a surface runoff. It nourishes water grass under sunlight. The tender stems of the plants are the favorite food of mollusks and ducks nearby. The luxuriant riverside vegetation provides shelter for many insects. The plumbeous water redstart enjoys living here. Different species actually coexist. The chirping bugs, the singing birds, and the splashing waterfall make up the harmonious world down here. Water is the source of life in the canyon. Since its formation, water has been nourishing these dwellers. Behind the apparent tranquility, everything here is in constant perpetual motion. Day after day, amid the erosion of rushing water, the canyon keeps broadening, with more and more wildlife settling here. In a human's perspective, the canyon seems to remain the same. In Mother Nature's eyes, however, everything changes and evolves.